Okay, so now I'm going to move on along this side of the face here with the 0.5, because this is the side I've done the 0.5 on the forehead. What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on, so it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home. Okay, you need to be careful not to go too close to the eye area. So just up as far as the bone, the eye bone here. Okay, and moving down. You need to be careful not to roll over any active spots or any moles on the face. Okay, so just quickly to run through what the 0.5 roller is best for. It's best for deeper lines and wrinkles, open pores, uneven skin tone, boosting or enhancing the absorption of your skincare products. It's also obviously going to exfoliate the skin, and it works on producing collagen and elastin in the skin to give you tighter, firmer looking skin as well, and more plumped. Okay, so that's the 0.5 done. I'm just going to come along the jaw area. What you do need to be careful of not doing is dragging the roller. As you can see here, I'm picking and dropping the roller for every section that I'm moving to, and that just will avoid you from tearing your skin in any way. Okay, so you can see there now the redness that's coming from the 0.5. Now I'm going to move onto this side and do the 0.2. So I'm just going to apply some more serum. Okay. So what the 0.2 is used for would be for also fine lines, but not as deep as the ones that you would treat with the 0.5 roller. So for the 0.2, it's more superficial fine lines. With the deeper fine lines, you need to use the 0.5, or it's not so much that you need to, you'll get a better result with the 0.5. The 0.2 is also used for open pores, for uneven skin tone, and it can be used more frequently. So that's the upside with the 0.2, is you can use it more frequently than you can with the 0.5. So it's a lot of people would use this one for more regular enhancement of their normal skincare routine, like using their products morning and nighttime. But now we wouldn't suggest rolling morning and nighttime. You can do it like a couple of times a week. Some people do it every day. I think that's a little bit more than what's needed. 2 to 3 times a week is enough, or for younger skin, once per week is enough. It's a great anti-aging tool as well as the 0.5. Again, it just depends. If you've got particular concerns that you want to treat, you would go in with your 0.5. If you've not got so many concerns and you really just want to for like anti-aging or for boosting your hydration in your skin and enhancing the effects that you get from your skincare, in that case the 0.2 is perfect for doing that job. Okay, now I'm going to apply some more serum, and I'm going to move on and do along the chin area and up the nose and the upper lip. Okay, so starting out with the 0.5. If anybody has any questions, just put them through. If I don't catch them during the live video, I can come back to them later on. Be careful going like over the edge on your lip, because you're going to be applying slightly less pressure and direction on each of the areas that you treat. So you want to avoid giving yourself any scratches on your skin by any slips. So just take it section by section, as small as a section as you can, so that you avoid it slipping off any of the bony areas. Okay, and now with this side. I didn't even think there before I went on and in this area was I using the 0.5 on the correct side, but I am, because we started on this side with the 0.5 on the face. So as you see when I'm coming up the nose area, you kind of just go in straight lines. You're not going to get your crisscross in here. Just move the nose, like kind of stretch it out so you can get in. You're not going to get into all the little nooks and crannies, but all you can do is your best. Now I'm going to move on to this side and use the 0.2. Okay, and then up along the nose. Okay, so that's the full face done with the 0.2 and the 0.5. That's the side of the 0.5, and that's the side of the 0.2. So I'm not noticing too much of a difference in the redness. I think they look fairly similar. What do you think? But what I can feel a difference. I can feel the skin is instantly feels tighter on this side, which is where I use the 0.5. So the redness might last a little bit longer on this side. In saying that, if you look at the forehead, it does look, it's more obvious redness on that side than it is over here. Are you seeing that difference? Okay, so definitely I'm seeing a bit more redness with the 0.5. So that's a demonstration on all three. So there is use for all three. Again, it just depends on your concern, your age, what your goal is with your skin. If you did need advice on that, if you haven't already had a skin consultation with a professional, or if you haven't been in touch with us to get some advice on how to use your rollers, we are offering free online skin consultations that you can avail of. So once we know kind of your goal with your skin and what concerns you have, we can guide you that little bit more accurately on how you personally should use the rollers, or what rollers suit your skin better. So what I might do is try and get that link in with these videos for anybody who is interested in getting that information, or even if you've been using the rollers for a while, or might have only been using one of them and want to get the other two, to see if there's a need for them first, or if they're suitable for your skin, or how you should use them. You can also avail of the online free skin consultations that we do through video. And then like that, we can just have a look at the products that you're using as well and give you advice on what products that you have got are safe to be using with your roller, or any other questions that you might have. So I hope that video was helpful, guys. I will probably wrap it up there because, as I said, I didn't want to take too long.